know the road safety system in Kigali is characterized by an availability of comprehensive data for informed decision making. We at the Inclusive Innovation ii2030 believe multi-stakeholder integrated data platform has the potential to foster the collaboration of actors in the integration of data in decision making. Therefore, we have co-created a solution for multi-stakeholder body to develop a road safety database. Let me show you how we got to this action. We started out by exploring the road system in Kigali.
We are exploring really different avenues to improve our mobility sector or transport sector to one, improve the commuter experience, but also to increase safety and reduce our carbon emissions. This is one of our most advanced sectors actually in terms of smart cities. One, for example, I can talk about public CCTVs that are enrolled across the country. We also have some that are vehicle enforcement systems there, and we have speed cameras that a lot of people have created a lot of traction in terms of speed limits enforcement. We also have the speed governors in buses that do not allow them to cross, or at least they are monitored. The bus driver behavior is monitored so that they don't cross the speed limit that is, I think, for most of the areas at 60.
However, road safety in Rwanda is still characterized by the availability of comprehensive data for informed decision making. We have seen that there is a need for multi-stakeholder integrated data platform that can be used to be able to collect data and also be able to share the data related to road safety.
We work across quite a few topics on the overall theme of smart cities. It was really great working with the ii2030 team around the topic of pilots and making things come to life, to make sure that smart cities is not just a topic that's somewhere in strategies and policies, but that's something that also reaches the citizens.
The ii2030 is a stakeholder-driven process that aims for the co-creation of a root cause solution. We then facilitated 2-day-long co-creation session in Kigali for the design of a solution prototype. Here is what we have created. The solution that was created was a multi-stakeholder platform to develop a road safety database.
All solutions will be based on the data we have.
And everything that you are working, let alone, is informed, like informed policies. You have access to data of everything that is happening around the roads.
It comprises the different stakeholders, government agencies, the private sector, researchers from academic institutions, but also high-tech companies that develops the softwares.
The successful implementation of this co-creation will be having at least road safety data in one place for a good reference. But a long-term solution will be the impact of access to those data. The data can inform policy, the data can inform strategic litigation, the data can inform awareness, and all of this, they contribute to one thing of decreasing road traffic injuries.
I urge every road user in Rwanda to respect each other in the road, and the road is a shared space for every citizen. So that's very important for us to be able to save lives.